Hello photo editors, my name is Joshua Choppy, and today I'm going to be giving you the 5-step process to editing your photos with Adobe Lightroom Mobile and taking your photos from an amateur level to a professional level with your iPhone and Android devices. So if you like things like this, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I share with you a 5-step process to taking your photos to the next level. Step 1. Open Lightroom. Once you have downloaded Lightroom on your iPhone or Android device, you can open the Lightroom app. Next, we will discuss how to pick a photo. Step 2. Pick a photo. Once you have taken a photo that you would like to edit, you can easily access it once the Lightroom app has been opened. Lightroom makes it very easy to view the photos you have already taken and lays it out from most recent photos on top. Step 3. Effects Overview. Lightroom has a variety of effects that can be applied to your photos. Let's take a look. First, you can select a section of your photo and make an edit to that selection. Next, you can heal pieces of your photo that need to be touched up. You can crop the photo to make it a size you would like. The profile tool allows you to pick a look to your photo. The light tool allows you to edit the exposure and shadows of your photo. The color editor allows you to add color with saturation. The effects allows you to add a vignette. The detail allows you to sharpen. Geometry allows the change of the view of the photo. And the optics option allows you to change the way the lens looks. The presets allow you to pick a look you already like. These are some of the many features Lightroom Mobile has to offer. Step 4. Begin editing. Once you have your photo selected, you can now begin editing. I like to only change the color, light, and effects. I like to play with the saturation, the exposure, shadows, and highlights. I also like to add a small vignette. Step 5. Finished product. Once you have made the necessary edits to your photo, you have a finished product completed, which can be used to share on social media like Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Now you know how to take your photos to the next step by using Adobe Lightroom for iPhone and Android. Take care.